We shall now see how we can control the systems in our project. We have already modeled up one ventilation duct here. This is the only thing that is modeled in our project. And to see the systems in the project, all the systems, both ventilation and piping and electrical, we can go to view on the menu here and to user interface. If we hook up this system browser here, we will have another box here where we see all the if we have any unassigned systems, we see that here. And if we have mechanical systems like we have here, we have one system, and that is actually that duct we have already modeled. We have 0 piping systems and we have 0 electrical systems. So as soon as we start modeling more systems, we will have that in this hierarchy. I will now model up one more. First of all, I can just use the one I had. I thought maybe we should go in and install another duct series. For instance, we can have one rectangular as well. If I use this R1 rectangular, maybe the flanged one, we can install that as well. Okay, we see it loads all the components here. It doesn't matter actually if it's round or if it's rectangular. It will make different systems anyway. But now I can draw up a duct system that is rectangular. Just wait until this is finished. Yes, now it's finished. It has been installed in the project. We can go to duct and start the duct system here. I can also say that this is another supplier system that I will include in the project. I choose the one I just installed here because I know that will be sufficient to use. I can say that I want 300 times 150 duct. We can say no insulation, then it's empty here. We'll say that we have the max pressure loss of 1 Pascal per meter in sizing methods. I use the same elevation as the round one. Okay, and we can model that up just down here and like that, maybe. Yeah. Just beware that when you model up a system here, we can use the angle you like, even if it is even if it is not possible to purchase it. We see that we can have the angle we like. So beware that when you do that, you need to know that you can only use 45 degrees or 30 degrees or 90 degrees elbows. So when I'm gonna have one here, I model it 45 degrees like that and 45 degrees like that. Then I got an elbow that is possible to purchase. Now I have two systems here. We see on the mechanical I have SA2, which is the one I started with, and I have SA3, which is the one I now just have modeled up. I can then once more. Now I want to have a extract system and see how that will fit in here. So then I use extract here. I can choose the round one. I'll have 125 millimeter diameter, no insulation. I use the same sizing method, and I just take it from there down here and like that. And we also see here that that will have another color, that is now red. We see that the extract system is shows here as the here is the extract system, and when I mark that, we see that it's gonna be blue. There's still no flow because we have no components here. So be sure that you have control over the systems that you are modeling up. We will see after we have modeled some components and all that, you will find the components in this list. So that's the next thing we are going to do. The next session we are starting to put in components, ventilation components into the model, and see on different ways to do that. I will then delete this one. Just delete it like that. There is a way to do it if you just hold the mouse over there, press the tab button, then it marks all the system and you can press delete. Like that. And now we see we have only one system left, and that's the one we started with. I can also, So the next thing we do is to install products to the valves and all that. So until next time, see you then.